We're approaching the end of January, so of course it's time to figure out what we're going to plant in our garden. If you're new at gardening, here's some good starter tips. Should I plant seeds or should I buy the plant already grown? And the answer is yes. Now, when it comes to seed starting, you want to make sure you're having realistic goals. I wouldn't suggest going out and buying 20 different varieties of tomato plants, pepper plants, and all kinds of lettuces. And definitely don't be buying anything that's not going to be able to grow within your zone. If you don't like cucumbers, don't grow cucumbers. Grow things that you're actually going to eat. And if this is your first year, maybe start off with just 5 different seeds. And then you want to make sure you find a place that they will actually grow in. If you live in the middle of the woods and you're completely surrounded by trees, you may not be able to grow certain things. It doesn't mean you can't grow them, you just might have to grow them inside. If you're going to consider buying plants, I would recommend you buying from a local nursery who actually grows the seeds themselves. I would just use caution with buying plants from big box stores because some of those may not be adequate for your area. Also, you want to take in consideration of pest control. I live near the woods, so I have Bambi and rabbits and raccoons and squirrels. So I need to take into consideration that I need to protect my plants from those animals. Also, I would do a quick search on what sort of insects that could attack your plants. Also, make sure you're reading up on the plant on how to take care of it before you buy it or start to grow it. Some plants require certain nutrients to help it to grow, and this is where a local nursery would come in handy. They will be able to lead you and guide you in how to properly care for your plants. I would also encourage you guys to take a look at the Farmer's Almanac. This will help you to determine what zone you live and what things will grow best in your area. Also consider joining a gardening co-op, maybe on Facebook. Remember, knowledge is power. You cannot have too much information when it comes to gardening. Follow along for more gardening tips.